Arpita Khan Sharma, who gave birth to son Ahil on March 30th, hugged Dr. Kiran Koilo, who had delivered the baby, before she stepped into a sleek black BMW with hubby Ayush Sharma holding the crib. The couple looked ecstatic, and a chauffeur hanging around revealed that the Hot Wheels were a gift from Ahil's Mamu, Salman Khan.